Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
9. Can we touch Mount Kailash? No. Mount Kailash is regarded holy and therefore no one is allowed to touch it. All the trekking is done around it, and that's the beauty of it as the place is devoid of human existence.
Let's help you make your mark.
Legend says only one person has climbed it. There isn't much information on this, but it believed that the only person to ever reach its holy peak was an Tibetan Buddhist yogi, Milarepa, in the 11th century. 4 September 2017.
Take our lead.
According to Russian scientists, Mount Kailash is too perfect and symmetrical. Its extremely perpendicular sides give it the appearance of a pyramid. They suggested that perhaps the mountain is not a mountain at all, it is actually a giant man-made pyramid from ancient times. 26 August 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Mount Kailash. The most famed and holiest mountain among all these is Mount Kailash, 6,714 meters, and on top is the heavenly abode of Lord Shiva, who shares this lofty peak with his consort goddess Parvati. The grandeur of Mount Kailash, the famed holy peak in western Tibet situated to the north of the Himalayan barrier. 12 July 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.